We are continuing with the problems on curve fitting. Next problem. An experiment on lifetime of an experiment on lifetime of cutting tool, lifetime T of cutting tool at different cutting speeds V in units are given below. So they are given speed, that is V, and the lifetime T. So 350, and the speed is 350, lifetime is 61, 426, 507, 600, 2.6. Fit a relation of the form V is equal to A into T power B. So this is the given question. So we have to fit a curve in the form of V is equal to A into T power B. Our aim is to find A and B. Okay. So for that now, consider the given curve, that is V is equal to A into T power B. First we have to convert this in the straight line form by taking log on both sides. Log V is equal to log of A into T to the power of B. So that is nothing but log V is equal to log A plus log of T power B. Right? Next, log V is equal to log A plus B into log T. So now log V is nothing but I will take it as capital B. Log A I will take it as capital A plus B small b as it is. Log T I will take it as capital T. So now where capital B is equal to log of small b with base E, and capital A is equal to log of small a with base E, and capital T is equal to log of small t with base E. Okay. So now we converted the given relation in the form of a straight line B is equal to A plus BT. So as we know that if we have a straight line, we can write the normal equations by taking the summation. So I will call this as equation number 1. So now taking summation on both sides. Summation of V is equal to summation of A. Summation of A is n times A plus summation of BT. B is constant, keep it out, into summation of T. So next, to write down the second normal equation, multiply the equation 1 by the independent variable T, then take the summation. That is summation of V into T is equal to, after multiplication it become AT, take the summation, keep A outside, into summation of T plus B I will keep it out, summation of T into T become T square. So this is our normal equations. Okay, we have to solve these normal equation by substituting the values for summation of v, summation of vt, summation of t and summation of t square. To find that value, we have to construct the table. Okay, so table consisting of I want capital V. Capital V is nothing but log of small v with base e, and I want capital T. Capital T is nothing but log of small t with base e. So then I want capital V into capital T. So then I want t square. I want t square. These values are required to substitute in the normal equations to get a and b values. So now go on substituting these values. So we obtain, as we know that small v is 350. Small v is 350. Log of 350 with base e, that is in your calculator you have to consider ln of 350. ln is for base e, log is for base 10. So ln of 350 is 5.8579. Okay, next ln of 400 I want. ln of 400 is 5.9915. Next, ln of 500. ln of 500 will be 6.2146. Next, ln of 600. ln of 600 will be 6.3969. Okay. So next, we have to calculate capital T. Capital T will be log of small t with base e. Base e means ln in your calculator. So ln of 61. ln of 61 is 4.1109. Next, ln of 26. That is log of 26 is 3.2581. Next, ln of 7. ln of 7 will be 1.9459. Next, ln of 2.6. ln of 2.6 will be 0.9555. So next we have to construct Vt. So Vt means multiplication of V into T. So multiplication of these two will give us 24.0812. Next, 5.9915 into 3.2581 will be 19.5209. Next, 6.2146 into 1.9459 will be 12.093. Next, product of these two will be 6.1122. Next, we have to find out t square. So t square is square of this one. So that is 16.8995. Next, square of this is 10.6152. Next, square of this 3.7865, and square of this is 0.913. Now find out the summation of all the columns. So summation of V will be, adding all these values, we will get 24.4609. Next, summation of T will be 10.2704. So next, summation of Vt will be 60.8073. Next, summation of t square will be 32.2142. Summation of V will be 24.4609. Now substitute all these values in the normal equations, that is in equation 2. So now equation 2 becomes summation of V. Summation of V is 24.4609 is equal to n. N is number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So n is equal to 4. That is 4 into A plus summation of T into B. What is summation of T? 10.2704 into B. Okay. Next, summation of Vt. Summation of Vt will be 61.8073 is equal to summation of T into A. Summation of T is 10.2704 into capital A plus summation of T square into B. Summation of T square will be 32.2142 into B. Now solve these two equations. Solve these two equations. We have two unknowns, two equations. Using calculator we can easily solve it. So we obtain, after solving these two equations, we will get A as 6.5539 and the small b value will be minus 0.1709. So we got the capital A value. So our aim is to find A and B, small a and small b. So we can obtain, as we know that capital A is log of small a. From this, capital A is log of small a. From this, small a will be e power capital A. So that is e to the power of 6.5539. 6.5539. So finding the value of this one, we will obtain small a as 701.9766. Now substitute all these values in this expression. Okay, consider V is equal to A into T to the power of B. Now substitute A and B here. Therefore, V is equal to A is what? 701.9766 into T to the power of B. What is B? Minus 0. Here we have small b value. Minus 0.1709. So this is a relation what we have to find for the given data. Okay. So this is a curve fitting. You can check your answer by substituting B value. By substituting B value, you may get the exact value of T or near value of T. So there should not be a much difference. Okay. Here. So this is regarding the straight lines. Okay. Next we go for second degree parabola. Problems on fitting a second degree parabola for the given data. Okay. So write down the problems. First one, fit a second degree parabola, fit a second degree parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c in the least square sense. In the least square sense for the following data and hence estimate y at x equal to 6. So write down the data what they are given. So x and y is given. So when x is 1, y is 10, 2, 12, 3, 13, 4, 16, 5, 19. So this is a given data. For the given data, we have to fit a second degree parabola in the form y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Right? So now I will go for the solution. So consider the given second degree parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. We call this is equation 1. Our aim is to find the value of a, b, c. So first we have to consider the normal equations. First you take the summation for the equation 1. You will get first normal equation. That is summation of y is equal to summation of ax square is a into summation of x square plus summation of bx is b into summation of x plus summation of c is n into c. Okay. So next step. To write the second normal equation, multiply equation 1 by x. Then take the summation. After multiplying equation 1 by x, we will get summation of x into y is equal to a into summation of x cube plus b into summation of x square plus summation of c is we multiply this with x, so c into summation of x. Right? This is the second normal equation what we have. Then multiply equation 1 by x square, then take the summation. So we obtain summation of x square into y is equal to a into summation of x to the power of 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. We call this as a system 2, system of equations 2. Our aim is to find the value of a, b, c. For that we constructed the normal equations. So to substitute in the normal equation, we have to find out summation of y, summation of x square, summation of x, summation of xy, summation of x square y, summation of x cube, summation of x to the power of 4. For that we have to construct the table. Okay, we have to construct the table consisting of x, y, xy, x square. Then we want x cube also. We want x to the power of 4 also. So then we want x square y. We want x square y. So this is required. Okay. So from this we have n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. Okay, n is equal to 5. So now we have to substitute all these values in the table. X values first you substitute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each corresponding y values 10, 12, 13, 16 and 19. Next xy. Xy will be 10 multiplication of x into y. 10, 24, 10, 24. Next 39. Then 64 is 64, 19 5 95. Next x square. X is here, square it. We obtain 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. X cube. So x here we have cube it. 1, 8, 1, 8, 24, 27. 3 cube is 27. Next 64. Then 125. Then x to the power of 4. Fourth power of x. 1, 16, 81, 256 and 625. Then consider x square into y. So x square into y. 1 into 10, 10. Then 48. Then 117. Then 256 and 475. 475. Now find out the summation of all these values. Add the columns. So first column, there is summation of x will be 15. Next, we have to find out summation of y. Summation of y will be 70. Next, we have to find out summation of xy. Summation of xy will be 232. Next, find out summation of x square. Summation of x square by adding this column, we will get 55. Next, summation of x cube. Summation of x cube will be 225. Next, summation of x to the power of 4 will be, summation of x to the power of 4 will be 979. Next, summation of x square y. Summation of x square y will be 906. Now substitute all these values in the normal equations, in the system of equations. So we will time equation 2 becomes summation of y. Summation of y will be 70. 70 is equal to summation of x square into a. Summation of x square will be 55. We obtain 55 into a plus summation of x into b. Summation of x is 15. 15b plus nc. As we know that n is 5. 5c. Next, come to the second one. Summation of xy. Summation of xy will be 232. 232 is equal to summation of x cube into a. Summation of x cube is 225. 225 into a plus summation of x square into b. Summation of x square is 55. 55 into b plus summation of x into c. Summation of x into c is 15c. Next, consider the third equation. Summation of x square y. Summation of x square will be 906. 906 is equal to a into summation of x power 4. Summation of x power 4 is 979. 979a plus summation of x cube into b. Summation of x cube into b is 225 into b. 225 into b plus 225 into b plus summation of x square into c. X square is 55. 55c. So now we got 3 equations with 3 unknowns. Solve these 3 equations using your calculator. 3 equations with 3 unknowns, simultaneous equations. You will get the value of a as 0.2857 and the value of b as 0.4857 and the value of c as 9.4. After finding these values, substitute in the equation 1. Substitute in the equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes y is equal to a 0.2857 into x square plus b. What is b? b is 0.4857 into x. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is c? 9.4. Okay, this is the required second degree parabola for the data. You can check your answer by substituting x values. You will get exactly y value or near the y value. Okay, we'll continue the program in the next class. Thank you all.